Good morning friends, welcome to SNRJ Investment Academy. Today we will be discussing about Bajaj Finance Limited. We will be discussing about the stock and how we can invest in this stock at a good price. Bajaj Finance Limited. If you can see the chart of Bajaj Finance Limited from 2002 till date, you can see a kind of bubble bursting pattern in the chart. The price has reached up to 4923 and then from there it started correcting, and right now the price is at 2000. But if you are considering the fundamentals of the company and the performance it has shown till date, you can be very sure that this is a good opportunity, but you need to take a very cautious approach while investing in this share. You don't need to be so greedy and go and invest all of your amount in this share. You should not do like that. You need to be a part-time, part-wise you need to invest, and only those amount which you can spare and you don't need that money, then only you need to invest. The amount which you require within 1 year or 2 year, you should not invest that money into this share, because we never know whether this is a real bubble or only a correction and again it will go up. Most probably it will again go up after some time, but investing is like that. There is a risk always involved in every share investing, but considering the fact that the Bajaj Finance Limited is a good, fundamentally strong company, and so far it has shown good profit and a well managed company, the price will go up only, but after some correction it is possible that price may get corrected more. So we'll be doing a cautious approach. We'll be analyzing the stock right now, and then after that we will decide what are the strategy we need to apply while investing in this stock. So currently the price is trading, stock is trading above its intrinsic value, and recently only some rating agencies are given the direction that it may correct up to 1800, 1700. So we will be considering those values when we are investing, and the dividend yield also 0.29% only. If you can, the promoter group is Bajaj, that's why it's good company, and the financial also it is showing good trend, that's why the price also gone up. But due to coronavirus issue, that right now it is correcting, and there may be there is a financial uncertainty ahead, so that's why the price is getting corrected, and it's not the current situation is like that. NBFCs are not able to well adjust with the situation, that's why price is getting corrected. You need to consider all those facts before investing in this stock. We'll see the holding pattern. If you can see the holding pattern, you can see that promoters holding compared to December 2019, they have increased their stake, even though it is a small percentage, but it's a good sign that they have increased their stake. And so FIIs also increased their stake around 1%, and domestic institutional investors also increased their stake. Mutual funds, they also increased their stake. Means all are positive in this share. You can invest in this share with a strategy, and you need to consider the fact that only those amount which is not required within 1 year, that amount only you need to invest, because you will never know how long you need to hold this share to get a good profit. If you are investing the amount which you require near term, then at that point of time, if the price is very low, then you may incur huge loss. That's why you need to consider all these things before investing in this company. See, this is my plan for investing in this stock. For Bajaj Finance, I have an investable amount of 40,000. I'll be putting in that amount into different portion, part by part. I'll be buying two quantity when the share price will reach 1800 level, and then I will buy for quantity when the price again correct and 1600. In between, if the price is going up from 1800 to higher level, then I will be holding that share. I will not be investing further. Only if the correction is there, then only I will invest, and if I will keep on investing when the price is getting corrected, and up to I am expecting the price to reach at to near 1400 level, and as a buffer I have kept as 1200 level also. I will be investing my money in 1200 level also. I will be buying 16 share at the price of 1200. The very rare chance is there for the price to reach 1200. Still I am keeping that buffer. After that, if the price is going down, I'll be revisiting my strategy, and I'll be doing modification accordingly. For the amount right now I have, I'll be investing up to 1200 only, and I have around 40,400 rupees with me for this investing in Bajaj Finance. After that, I'll if the price is also you need to consider the rate at which the price is going down. If there is a sudden downfall of the price from 1800 to 1600, you need to be cautious, and you need to change your strategy accordingly. Sometimes you may reduce the quantity at 2600. Only I will be buying 1600. I will be buying 2 quantity only if there is a sudden fall from 1800 to 1600. If the fall is slowly, then I will be buying in that way. You need to accordingly how the price movement, accordingly you need to change the strategy. Don't blindly buy this share. You can see I have already shown you the chart. The chart is like there is a bubble bursting, that kind of chart you have seen. So, but considering the fact that the Bajaj Finance is a good company with fundamentally strong company, the chance of bubble bursting is very less. But this is stock market, so you need to be very careful while investing in any stock, and you need to have a strategy. Once you invested all of your amount, and you can revisit your strategy and hold on to this stock for more than 1 year, means 2 year, up to 2 year you can need to hold this amount, this stock, then you will get a good return. Current situation is like that. Market may go again correct, and the current rally is not sustainable because fundamentals are very weak. So you may expect a good correction in the coming days, and you need to prepare a strategy for each and every stock, how you will be investing in each and every stock, in each good stock, only good stock. We will not be investing any fundamentally weak stocks. We will be investing in good stock at a good price, and we should have a strategy for that. Hope this video will help you to invest with a plan in this Bajaj Finance. If the video was helpful for you, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such good videos. Thank you.